Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we are going to be turning a piece of walnut. So right now we are just marking out for a mortise and a foot. Alright, we've got the camera turned around and the lathe turned on, and we're going to start by turning it to shape. And the first tool we are using is the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. And start flattening the bottom and going round to the sides and getting our platter shape. All tools and cutters will be listed in the description if you need any or are interested. And right up to the foot, cleaning up that edge there, and there we go. Moving the tail stock, and now we're going to make the mortise, and the first tool we're going to use is the mid-size detailer. Going to clean it all out with a finisher, flatten everything off with a mid-size rougher, and back to the detailer so it matches the angles of the jaws and the chuck. There we go. Alright, so I've already done most of the sanding, so now we're just sanding to 240 grit. There we go. Cleaning it off with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Some sanding sealer. Here's some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. Gonna wipe this all over till you have a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent of around about 1000 grit. Here we go, last few wipes. There we go. And now some gold embellishing wax. Very difficult to see this on camera as it's very subtle, but you can just about see it. So you're just going to wipe this all over, turn the lathe on and buff it in. And there you go. Alright, so now we're going to get to hollowing. And for this we're going to use the mid-size finisher. Flattening off the top first. And now we're hollowing. Trying to be very, very careful here. I do not want to go through the bottom. A very big piece of walnut I do not want to waste. And there you go. Move the tool rest, and once again, going to sand up to 240 grit. Clean the grain off with some methylated spirits. Some sanding sealer. Some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. Once again, you wipe this all over till you have a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. Here we go, last few wipes. There you go. And some Hampshire Sheen finishing wax. So you wipe this all over. Make sure you get nice even coverage. Turn the lathe up to about 1,000 to 1,200 and buff it in. Build up that heat. Be careful not to push too hard. You want to wipe off any wax that you just put on. There you go. Here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, show your friends, show your family, show your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click them links on the right hand side. And until next week, I'll see you then. Bye bye for now.